Hello from Slovenia again. I will do an open cup, but I lift up one of my sides. I just want to add some black here on the sides, maybe. I will use fluorescent paints today, and I added 2 drops of silicone or 1 drop for an ounce of paint. And I will even use reflex white instead of normal titanium white. Just I have to pour a little more just to cover my side. Sorry guys, but I will do this like if maybe my hand blocking a view. I'm sorry, but this will be just the fastest blah 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 way to do this. And I will just add some black on these corners, and then we will start. I use my pouring medium is just my Boesner thing, and I will pour like this. I really don't know what to do with torching part, but I did put silicone in it. Maybe if I torch just a little bit, not much. But if I will tilt this now, then I will get just those small cells, or maybe we can go for small cells today. Because I don't want a lot of cells, but I want some cells. I'm so sorry. Let's go just from really up high. Try to bring just some random cells here and there, if I can do that. But it starts to looking so beautiful when these cells are popping through. But maybe I will this orange through the black. Okay. I will just pour a little more black here around just to make this help the paint flow, because I don't want to overstretch those cells. And for those who don't want to watch this part, you can, you know what. I still have paint. And I will just go once more. So definitely this is more what I like. So I want some of this black, so that's why I will pour off a little of this and go to this side. This is more something that I like. Just have to tilt some of this orange thing here and I will be done. Just a little bit more. And I'm done. And I think that it's worth to do it once more. I'm just not super happy about this part, so I will just try to cover this that I don't like. See, this will be it, because I adore this colors and lines here, I really do. Now I have a little weird creatures here. Have to do this. Really, really weird creatures. I don't like them, but now I can't do nothing about this. Okay, I think that this will be it. I will try to show you all these gorgeous things that they are happening in here. See? So gorgeous. And this fluorescent magenta looks so gorgeous. And some black clouds. From hell to heaven, probably. See this? Just magical. But maybe it's just me. Sometimes I'm in love with one of my paintings, but this doesn't mean that you will like it too. So tell me what you think. Was worth it to go once again? Bye.